What's up, gang? What it do, man? So it is. You see, it's 7:20. It's 7:20 in the morning. 7:20 in the morning, and today is the day, the first time I'm about to start driving my Jeep 1988 JeepXj for the first time in 3 years. No, not 3 years, 2 years. 2019 was the last year I drove my Jeep, but it was like probably the beginning. But anyway, I'm gonna show you what's the upgrades I got, what's going on, what's about to go on. But I already did my taxes Friday. Today is the 17th. So I did my taxes probably 3 days ago, 4 days ago, whenever Friday was. I did my taxes. I put the insurance on it. Got all that situated. I had an old tag on it. I didn't even turn the tag in. Yeah. But anyway, other day, tell you, well, you know, other day, I don't know, I just basically just got out of bed, but I went outside to go pump my tires up because I forgot it was gonna rain today. Supposed to start raining at 8 o'clock, but I'm going ahead and trying to get all the vlogs I'm trying to get right now. You know what I'm saying? So let me show you what I got going on, You feel what I'm saying? So check this out. Look what I got. Powder coated lug nuts. Powder coated lug nuts for the JeepXj. And you already seen I got the purple and the purple stripe around the rim. So that's gonna be real dope with these powder coated spike lug nuts. These was like $200. So I got these. Told you I got the iPad. I'm about to take these outside. Probably not. Probably take them outside a little bit later. Let's go ahead and go outside and see what's going on. Let's get it.
No time. Damn. No time. I ain't got time to get my feelings. I ain't got time to fuck with no niggas. I ain't got time. I ain't got time to fuck with no bitches. I ain't got time to get in my feelings. I got on my ass, I had to go get it. I know them times a nigga ain't have it. I brought me a bottle to fuck up my kidney. I'm in my zone and I ain't got time to really be beefing with little ass niggas. I ain't got time to hang around niggas and I ain't got time to fuck with no bitches. I ain't got time to get in my feelings.
So you see I'm outside now. Seen the little intro I just did or whatever with the little Jeep. That's basically the intro that it's gonna show everything what the Jeep look like right now. But yeah, I told you she gonna be 4.5 inch today. Why it gonna be my first time driving a Jeep is cause I get my window fixed. They coming out here supposed to be 8 to 11 to fix my window. Then I already paid the man to, really my homeboy, he do tint. I paid to get my windows tinted. And guess what I'm gonna do? Paint the whole windshield. I mean, not paint, tint my whole windshield. So I'm not just gonna tint what I had tinted last time. I had this tinted and I wasn't even driving a Jeep yet. I was getting prepared to drive it and that whenever I supposed to drove it. But anyway, yeah, I'm getting the whole thing done, 20%. And you see that my tint is real dark, especially back here. The front is probably at least like 20%. So it's gonna look real good. It's gonna really bring out the Jeep. And I feel like, and you go see the other upgrades. I probably got some shit going on that has some sticker. I seen one Jeep. It had like a words coming down from the side, like right here. I'm gonna put Mamba in purple right here. Mamba in purple. You see I got roof rack. So I'm gonna get the roof rack pads. I already got that. They black with purple lettering on it. I try to find some black ones that I can put Mamba in purple on it. But you see it's dirty up there too. I'm gonna clean that today. But and I'm probably repaint the roof rack because I didn't sand it down, I ain't cleaned them. Only thing I did was paint them, like 2 coats or something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna repaint them probably while they on the Jeep because it's just the top part. It's not really the edges or nothing like that. But yeah, this is what's going on. You know, see my grill, she's looking real good. She's clean. This is a 1988. That's what y'all gotta understand. This is a 1988 in great condition, especially the interior. Especially the interior. I don't even know what door I'm on. But check out the interior.
We just made this beat.
My mind on the line so I can sleep at night. I just want all of my people to be living nice. And anything I did wrong, I'm here to make it right. And any problem that I face, I ain't gonna try to fight. I know it's times at the time that I was dead wrong. I had to train myself for real and get my head on. Build some muscle as a man and put my pants on. Turn my hustle up a notch and now my...
So yeah, now y'all got the interior and everything. I finally showed y'all what the Jeep really look like from the outside and the inside. So I don't think y'all really looked at the inside before. Probably didn't, but you see the driver's seat floor is real dirty because I keep getting it out and it's really wet outside today. So that's what's going on. She's looking real good back there, literally. But you know, I always gotta talk about this. This is the most expensive build I ever did, but next build is gonna be the most expensive build back there, the Cutlass. But other than that, we're gonna be focused on the JeepXj right now. But she's very loud. She just I ain't never told y'all too. I was watching my videos the other day. My rims, the new rims that I'm getting, that I'm gonna put on the Jeep, the ones in the back, the black ones with the purple stripes, they are 12-inch wide, going on 33s, 12.5-inch wide rim. So you know she gonna be poked out. I think she's negative 77 or 72 offset. So yeah, but other than that, I probably do no lights, none of that. But I know I'm gonna get my, remember I was telling you I was getting my shocks, not my shocks, my springs powder coated, get my springs powder coated, and I was gonna get my leaf springs powder coated. I'm not gonna get none of that powder coated. Only thing I'm gonna get powder coated is my differential casing from the front and the back. And I'm gonna get my sway bar and my track bar powder coated. And I'm gonna do you know, Rough Country come with the shocks they come with the stickers too, but I ain't gonna put the stickers on there. So I'm gonna get custom made Rough Country purple stickers now I'm gonna put on my shocks, and they gonna look real good, real nasty, real nice. So that's what's going on. That's what I'm really trying to get everything completed done. And they talking about my lift kit ain't gonna come until, they ain't gonna ship it out till September the 13th. So you know I felt real bad, real sad about that situation. But other than that, let's wait until they come fix my window. Let's get it. What it do? So I'm back out here. They just sent me a text that they'll be here in like at 8:35. Just like when I looked at the clock like 1 minute ago, it's like 8:30. So they should be here real soon. So yeah, about to get this window replaced. You know, I ain't really been driving like that. I be trying to speed. I've been trying to speed talk, so I'm done speed talking. I'm gonna just talk regular. I be trying to get too much stuff going. I don't see what I'm saying. I'm messing up with my words. But anyway, you see my beautiful Jeep right here. But just got out the shower. You might see my hair a little white a little bit. I put curl activator in my hair. But yeah, he about to come replace this window. Windshield. Why I keep saying window? My bad. Windshield. He about to come. It's a window, but he about to come replace this windshield. Now it's saying it's gonna rain at 9 o'clock. So yeah, now it's saying it's gonna rain at 8 o'clock. So at 9 o'clock. So that's good timing. I'll probably mount my iPad today. My radio ain't here, but I need at least have something to watch while I'm driving my Jeep. Something to watch, not watch. Don't do that, y'all. Something to listen to, even though it's real loud. And I know my iPad really ain't that loud. So we just go make it do what it do. If I stop at the light without hitting the gas, I can, listen to something. But other than that, that's what's going on. you know, so yeah. But he said he was gonna be here around that time. So, and I see them coming right now. So here they go.
Like damn. Like damn. Hey, Dino, man, you went motherfucker hard on this shit, gang.
After I drop a hit, then here come another. I fuck on these bitches, don't hit undercover. Once I get sloppy, I slip on the rubber. Lil' that bitch fucking me and my brothers. I'm in the streets every day with a blicky. Smoking no pressure, that get really sticky. I give me a fit, then caught me a fitted. Lick it by first on my ops, I see. I ain't even got started, it's just the beginning. Running the rat for the time that I missed. Brought us a chopper to wake up the city. All of my jewelry go with the hit. Big flexing, yeah, you know they don't get it. How this young nigga just dropped in the city? Most of the youngins just dropped in the city. Stay the same every day, it's no different. They say I'm go crazy with the tats on my body. I tatted my face and now they look inside it. Irregular gas and tats like a Zodi. It's more and more paper just filling my pocket. I don't beef with a broke nigga, I need a private. This bitch on my phone, shit, private. I don't give a fuck if I do help me find. Every song that I drop, bitch, I switch up the climate. I'm with all of that fuss, it bitch, come see about me. I stand on the block with them hitters beside me. You wanna get burnt, that little nigga come try me. Best believe, little nigga ain't hiding. Them niggas inside, I'm all outside. Every day posted up on my ride. I'm ready for war, on gang, on God.
I'm ready for war, on gang, on God.
After I drop a hit, then here come another. I fuck on these bitches, don't hit undercover. Once I get sloppy, I slip on the rubber. Lil' that bitch fucking me and my brothers. I'm in the streets every day with a blicky. Smoking no pressure, that get really sticky. I give me a fit, then caught me a fitted. Lick it by fresh on my ops, I see. I ain't even got started, it's just the beginning. Running the rat for the time that I missed. Brought us a chopper to wake up the city. All of my jewelry go with the hit. Big flexing, yeah, you know they don't get it. How this young nigga just dropped in the city? Most of the youngins just dropped in the city. Stay the same every day, it's no different.
Hey, man, you already know the fuck going on. Bitch, hey, bitch, 2, 3, big 4 shit, nigga. Bitch, CD. On a whole lot of games. You already know the fuck going on. Gang.
What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? So you see that I just got my windows tinted. I mean, not tinted, just got my windows replaced, if you see. Now I'm about to get my windows tinted. I know we don't supposed to be doing this after you get your windows, you know, replaced, but fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Fuck that. I don't even like to be seeing through there. So we about to go ahead and, he about to go ahead and do it. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, yeah, look me up on YouTube, Grove Life Entertainment. CG Will.
Yeah, Grove Life Entertainment, CG Will. That guy over there. He's a tent man too. I don't think he been rapping no more, but yeah, look him up. You want to listen to his music, listen to his music. But yeah. Pretty. I want to get this darker, but I really don't care. It's gonna be dark anyway because it's gonna be front windshield. So I'm gonna let you know how the end results go. I'll let you.